Traveling long haul can be both exhilarating and exhausting, but with thoughtful preparation, you can turn even the longest flights into a comfortable and stress-free experience. Drawing on insights from travel experts, here's a comprehensive guide to make your journey smoother. Comfort is everything. Dressing for comfort is a must. Loose, breathable clothing and layers help you adapt to fluctuating cabin temperatures. Compression socks improve circulation and reduce swelling, particularly on long flights. Don't forget to pack a neck pillow, an eye mask, and a lightweight blanket for added relaxation. Stay hydrated and nourished. Cabin air is notoriously dehydrating, so drink water consistently throughout your flight. Bring an empty, refillable water bottle to fill post-security. Avoid excessive caffeine and alcohol, as they can worsen dehydration. Pack your favorite snacks, especially if you have dietary preferences. Nut-based snacks, dried fruit, or trail mix are great non-messy options. Packing and personal items. Efficient packing ensures smoother travel. Rolling clothes and using packing cubes save space and keep your luggage organized. For in-flight essentials, choose a personal item like a backpack with compartments. Keep your charger, snacks, entertainment, and toiletries handy, along with travel documents for easy access. Boarding made easy. Arrive early at the gate to secure overhead bin space and avoid last-minute stress. Pay close attention to boarding announcements and keep your ID and boarding pass ready. Entertainment essentials. In-flight entertainment may not cater to your tastes, so download movies, podcasts, or ebooks in advance. Noise-canceling headphones are invaluable for reducing cabin noise and enhancing your viewing or listening experience. Bring a power bank to keep your devices charged. Smart seating and sleeping strategies. Selecting the right seat can significantly impact your comfort. Aisle seats offer mobility, while window seats are better for uninterrupted rest. Exit rows provide extra legroom but may have reclining restrictions. For sleep, align your schedule with your destination's time zone, use an eye mask, and recline your seat politely. Stay fresh mid-flight. Long flights can leave you feeling worn out, but a small toiletry kit can work wonders. Pack travel-sized face wipes, deodorant, and a toothbrush to freshen up. Moisturize frequently to combat the drying cabin air and consider changing into fresh clothes before landing. Move around. Sitting for extended periods can lead to discomfort or even health risks like deep vein thrombosis. Take short walks around the cabin and stretch regularly. If movement isn't an option, perform simple seated exercises to promote circulation. Avoid jet lag. Prepare for time zone shifts by adjusting your sleep schedule before your trip. On board, stay hydrated and limit caffeine or alcohol. Upon arrival, expose yourself to natural light and stay active to align with the local time zone. Plan for connectivity and arrival. Research internet options like local SIM cards or eSIMs for your destination to stay connected affordably. Many airports have kiosks where you can purchase plans, but researching in advance ensures you get the best deal. Essentials. Don't overlook the small but essential items. Sanitizing wipes, lip balm, a scarf that can double as a blanket, and offline activities like journals or books. They can make all the difference in your journey. With these comprehensive tips, you'll transform even the most challenging long-haul flight into a manageable, comfortable, and enjoyable experience. By planning ahead and keeping your essentials within reach, you'll arrive at your destination ready to embrace the adventure ahead. Bon voyage!